Ano ba ha?
Oh, kuya.
Lamig.
Narang kuya kiniki di ba na baki advertisement?
Balay sila penjinjarya na di. Papinyan kerpang ni kini. Like link bawang ka shillongadvertisement.com. Pinyo buat ki jingkylla. Bat ki berta ki shula. Link bawang ka shillongadvertisement.com.
Halor ka jingdawa bau dai ban herno nak shuki Myntri namar ka jingjatwa ka jingtap tunom ka yengdarwar uba Dasakhiat lamari Myntri badai kmi yak tana peludi building uloong ba kamlong ka bay hab andai trei shitom bat unum sange bat ka jingiehnoh ka Myntri kan wanrah ka jingkylla.
Quitting, I think, is not the solution, yeah, because damages, no matter whoever is in charge, damages will occur if they are supposed to occur. Me personally, I feel that by me quitting the post of a minister will not change anything. In fact, I should pull up my socks and work harder. That is what I should do. Pull up my socks, work harder. If I used to get up at 7 o'clock, I should get up at 6 o'clock now in the morning and go do my work. I think that is what I'm supposed to do. But quitting has never been my principle here. Throughout life, I'm not a quitter. So this is also something which I will never quit. And until unless somebody, I don't know, maybe illness or death do something to me, I will not quit. I should not. Well, this is if it's a suggestion from somebody, then I'm so sorry. I cannot take that suggestion. It doesn't suit my principles.
Halor ka jingtua ka jingtap tunom ka yengdarwar uloong ba ka por bala IT ka mante ka yengdarwar thawai mathamai ka jala umsem la parkhat ba ka jingtap tunom ni ka dum kantua uloong ba umsem la dan jingtho bala da ja ai ban siu ka sim contract ne ka tanat hynrei la ai ka jingkhli ha ka sim contract bat ha ka jingsngo junguhi ka long ba ki ba sim contract kin hab ban siu ya ka jinglon
kata kada ngong pi padon kanu kayu namar manswa por bangi alot ya ka ne ka kam nei ngim chu parkhat bakan sajia kumne tengah trei kam dan hero ka ke jingtho ang tu ka ba laraja kumlum siu ne ja kam ten siu ka department ne ta hynrei namar ba ngingel ai ka responsibility ya u ta hynrei kala ja kum tu mentangin keno ya no ngi keno design ne keno contractor ne ngin keno ya no kan nama ka jingshane ana wa chwe ka don te habau la hab to nga super khat kala monlong ba u hab siu don mo ngamong ba ngalong show mo ngalong tikna ba u hab siu mu re nga ong ba ka jing sha tu de ban hab siu mo u ya ka jing don ka pala da jang tu dan de wat ada komtaro ni siapa kin kalau I have to go back now and go study the whole thing again now. See, because when we allotted this, and one more thing, just for the information of everybody, this was not allotted during my time. Okay, I took over when half the building was already standing. So, but anyways, I should not go, I should not dwell towards the past. Since I'm responsible now, I have to move forward with it. So, right now we'll see. More. That's what I say. I'll dig deeper to this, and then we'll see what should be done. Because according to my personal thinking, since there was no foreseeing about this, that this could happen. So there was no clause given also, I think, that who will pay for this, who will pay for that in case of any damages. So in this situation, in this scenario, I think the contractor have to